Hi. Today, we will see how to create a circuit breaker indicator in the TradingView Pine script. Different stocks have different circuit levels, like 5%, 10%, 20%, etc. Unfortunately, there is no way in Pine script to know a particular circuit level of a stock. So we will use an input for this. The default value is set to 10%. When a particular candle closes 10% above or below its previous close value, we get our circuit breaker candle. For example, see here, I'm on the Reliance stock chart now. Whenever a candle closes 10% above its previous close value, we get such a green stripe on the candle. Also, we see a green triangle below the candle with the word UC written. UC means upper circuit. Similarly, whenever a candle closes 10% below its previous close value, we get such a red stripe on the candle. Also, we see a red triangle above the candle with the word LC written. LC means lower circuit. And the best part is, this indicator works on any time frame. Right now, we are on the daily time frame. And now we are on the weekly time frame. If you use it on the intraday charts, you may have to adjust the circuit level accordingly, because almost no intraday candle will move 10%. Now, let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name, circuit breaker. First, we have an input for the circuit level. You may enter a value in decimal form also. Then we calculate the movement of the current candle with respect to its previous candle. Then we check if the upper circuit or the lower circuit has been hit or not. Then, accordingly, we define the color of the stripe to be shown, and then draw the stripe using the background color function. Also, we draw a triangle shape and write the UC and LC words on the candle. There is much more to do further in this concept. In the next tutorial, we will try to build a strategy around these circuit breaker levels. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.